How do Lunar Gateway delays impact future space missions? Have you ever wondered how delays in space projects can ripple through future missions? The Lunar Gateway is a key part of our plans for lunar exploration, and any setbacks can have wide-ranging effects. The Lunar Gateway is designed to be a lunar orbit space station that supports crewed missions to the Moon and beyond, including Mars. However, delays in its development can push back important milestones in the Artemis program, which is NASA's initiative to return humans to the Moon. Originally, the first elements of the Lunar Gateway were set to launch in 2025. Now, they are expected to align with Artemis Roman 4 in 2020. This shift means astronauts will have less time to train with the Gateway systems before they embark on critical missions. The Gateway is intended to provide life support, habitat, and docking facilities that differ from those on Earth or the Orion crew vehicle. Without it, training must focus more on direct lunar missions, which can limit the variety of simulated scenarios astronauts can practice. Technical challenges are a significant reason for these delays. Issues with the power and propulsion element, which controls the Gateway's orbit and orientation, have caused setbacks. Additionally, mass overruns in key modules and defects in flight computers have further complicated the situation. These problems not only delay the Gateway's readiness but also create uncertainty about its reliability. This uncertainty affects how astronauts prepare for potential system failures during their missions. The delays also impact the timelines for Artemis Roman 2 and Artemis Triple crewed flights, now scheduled for 2025 and 2026, respectively. Since the Gateway is expected to play a major role after Artemis Triple, early missions must proceed without its support. This requires astronauts to train for more autonomous operations during lunar flybys and landings, which can be quite different from operating with the Gateway. Moreover, international collaboration is affected. Partners from Europe, Japan, Canada, and other countries have invested in Gateway components. Changes in the schedule can influence astronaut training programs that relying on these international modules and systems. Adjustments will be necessary to accommodate the shifting timelines and hardware availability. In practical terms, astronauts must adapt their training to focus on the spacecraft and mission elements that will be ready on time, such as the Orion crew vehicle and lunar landers. Training will emphasize flexibility and problem-solving, reflecting the current uncertainties surrounding the Gateway's deployment. Overall, delays in the Lunar Gateway slow the development of a sustainable lunar presence. This affects how astronauts prepare for future missions, requiring adjustments to training programs to ensure crew safety and mission success. Addressing these technical issues early is essential to avoid further impacts on our exploration goals, including future human missions to Mars.